Hi. So, gusto ko lang i-express yung frustration ko with popular books these days. And I can't even say na ang dami ko nang binasang new books. Pero, I've only read 2 so far na parte ng mga popular books. And they're really bad. Parang ewan ko saan nagsimula to. Pero, ang pretentious ng mga libro talaga these days. Parang meron talaga akong hate sa pagbasa. Una, Normal People by Sally Rooney. And ito, medyo controversial to because a lot of people liked Normal People. And I can see why naman, especially back then. Matagal ko na siyang binasa kasi at this point in time. Sobrang tagal ko na nung binasa ko siya. So, I don't really remember much of it. But, you know, when I see videos nung series niya, it looks much more interesting and it looks much mas maganda. Pero when reading it actually feels so fucking pretentious talaga. Like, nakakainis siya. Ang trying hard niya, ganun. It mentions all these people, all these authors, parang feeling intellectual, but it's annoying. It's not tastefully done. Nakakainis siya. And controversial talaga siya because a lot of people liked it. And I can see why a lot of people like it. But no talaga. Hindi talaga ako makaget over sa fact na ganun siya. Kaya, yun kasi yung entrada ko kay Sally Rooney. So, even a lot of people liked her. Kaya maraming nagkakagusto sa kanya. Parang sira na yung image ko because I just don't like the way she writes. And parang ang flat niya. And I'm not one to like very ornamental writing, ha. Hindi ako ganun. Like, even the way I write, it's not very ornamental. Because it's not my taste. Parang too much siya. Pero, if done nicely kasi, ornamental's fine. If done tastefully, if done nicely. Pero siya sobrang flat. And I'm not saying this because I like ornamental writing. I'm just saying this kasi she didn't do it nicely. And like, for example, other parang chic na flat magsulat, sino Joan did yon na goods. They do it nicely. Pero si Sally Rooney, parang the fuck? I'm sorry. Yun lang. Tapos, another book I really, really, really dislike na tinapos ko din is yung My Year of Rest and Relaxation. Ngayon, ito, relatively, mas recent ko siyang binasa. Pero may time na rin, may specific time has passed already. Pero relatively, mas malapit. And it's also so pretentious. I think yun yung common theme ng mga TikTok books ngayon na they try so hard to appear very intellectual. Alam mo yung mga Substack posts na parehas na ganun-ganun yung how to stop doom scrolling, how to be intellectual, ganyan-ganyan, how to be an academic weapon, ganyan-ganyan. And those are very nice. Kaso, ganong klaseng epidemya na everyone's trying to be these very intellectual people na makikita mo, you can smell it from a mile na it's trying so hard. And I hate try hard books. My Year of Rest and Relaxation, parang it's trying so hard to be an edgy version of The Bell Jar. Though, I can say naman that a reason why I finished it is it was also quite enjoyable in a way na it's just so absurd. Sobrang absurd niya. That is funny. It's funny. Na nakakatawa siya sa sobrang absurd niya. Ang premise kasi niya isang like pretty, rich, privileged white girl sa New York na depressed, namatay na yung parents niya. And the whole premise of it is matutulog siya for 1 year to escape her depression kasi naniniwala siya na after niyang matulog ng 1 year, she's going to be revitalized. She's going to get rid of her depression. And at the end, yun nga yung nangyari. And yun na yung premise niya. And she has this best friend na trying hard daw na ganyan and she hates her. And, it's intriguing, it's interesting. Like, the plot itself could be good. But it's just so pretentious the way it's done. Sobrang hindi tasteful. Another book I hated was The Midnight Library. Na popular book din. Hate ko din siya. Hindi naman yun pretentious, not at all. But it's just so bad. It's just badly written. Para siyang Wattpad book. And ay hindi ko lang magets anong mali sa mga TikTokers ngayon. Bakit ganun yung mga libro nila na gusto nila? And even authors. Bakit ganun yung mga authors ngayon? Like, yung mga hindi romance books, you're trying so hard to be intellectual. When there are books like this, by the way, and I'm really enjoying, when there are books like this that exist, na ang ganda-ganda, that you can spend, that people can actually read, that they're actually intelligent without trying to appear to be. Pero they're nicely written, they're excellent. So, hindi ko alam. I'm just sad. Kasi, it's really hard for me to sit down and finish a book these days. Sobrang hirap. Wala na talaga akong attention span. Like, back when I was 16, hindi na siya ganun at all. Sobrang hirap na para sa akin na makatapos ng isang libro. Tapos ganun pa yung babasahin ko. Diba? Sino hindi magagalit? Ang dami kong sinayang na time and effort to actually finish a book.